Wisdom Panel 3.0 Breed Identification Dog DNA Test Kit Canine Genetic Ancestry Test Kit for Dogs. Dog DNA Breed Ancestry Testing Kit. With a simple cheek swab you can do at home, Wisdom Panel uses the most accurate and advanced breed identification method under patent. We test for over 250 plus breeds, types, and varieties, the most of any test on the market. 3 simple steps: simply collect your dog's DNA with a cheek swab, activate your kit online, and send your kit to the lab with prepaid shipping. You'll receive our genetic analysis of your dog's ancestry and breed identification in as little as 2 weeks. Benefits of DNA analysis: genetic testing can help you identify breeds and specific health issues that may be important to the well-being of your dog.Do. Not let your dog eat anything or share a water dish with other dogs for about an hour before you do the test. Work with your veterinarian and use your results to develop training, nutrition and long-term healthcare plans. Best in show: as the leading canine genetics company, we've tested the DNA of more than 1 million dogs and developed the largest and most comprehensive breed database in the world, with a sophisticated algorithm and a very strategically placed set of markers. Discover more about your dog. DNA analysis unlocks a brand new world of insights that are unique to your dog. Compare the accuracy and insight of our testing to similar products from Embark and Rivet. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.